Today is January 27th, 2016, and this is ULP News. Today is the International Day of Commemoration in memory of the victims of the Holocaust. Today is Saint Devotee's Day in Monaco. Today is Saint Sava's Day in the Republic of Macedonia. Today is Spirituality Day in Serbia. Today is also E-Day. According to our sources, today is Chocolate Cake Day. According to our sources, elephants suck their trunks like children suck their thumbs. According to our sources, your brain uses less power than the light in your fridge. According to our sources, a sloth can take a month to digest a single meal. According to our sources, penguins can drink salt water. According to our sources, Charles Darwin once ate roast armadillo and said he preferred it to duck. According to our sources, covering the state of Nebraska with wind turbines would meet half of the world's energy needs. According to our sources, jimberjawed means having a protruding lower jaw. According to our sources, a jaguar's jaws are strong enough to bite through a turtle shell. According to our sources, you need a license to sell seaweed in England. According to our sources, armadillos and humans are the only animals that can get leprosy. According to our sources, armadillos can walk underwater. According to our sources, armadillos have 4 babies at a time, and they are all always the same sex. According to our sources, armadillos can be housebroken. According to our sources, Robin Hood's friend Little John was actually named John Little. Dr. Frankenstein's first name was Victor. Rip Van Winkle's dog was also named Victor. According to our sources, Jamaica's main export is bauxite, which is used to make aluminum. According to our sources, Singapore is the only country with only one train station. According to our sources, cream does not weigh as much as milk. According to our sources, the ancient Romans often paid their taxes in honey. According to our sources, a new species of bird-eating frog with fangs was found in Thailand in 2008. According to our sources, the Gila monster is the only venomous lizard native to the United States. Our sources also tell us that the Gila monster is the largest species of lizard native to America. Gilas are protected species in Arizona and Nevada. According to our sources, Gila monsters only eat 5 to 10 times per year.